I was wondering if you knew my guides, if that makes sense, and how can I get in touch with them?
Well, as you feel the resonance here, you recognize that there's nothing more than a little hair splitting between your guides and that which is us. In other words, if you want to look from broader view, you could call us infinite intelligence. If you want to look from broader view, you would call us the culmination of inner beings. It's not so much who we are as it is the vibration that you achieve that gives you access to that which we are, you see. And so, what is it that you're wanting?
Wow. I'm getting what I want. And it started with a book that referred you a couple of months ago, and then somebody said, have you ever heard of Abraham? And I'm like, no, and now I'm here. And a string of events. So it's coming.
Law of attraction is very powerful. When you get into this place that you are a vibrational match to something, there is nothing that can keep you from lining up with it.
I would like to know how to manifest large amounts of money quickly. Like the lottery and slot machines and things like that.
Well, the thing about that is that at the basis of that desire is something that contradicts the desire itself. In other words, at the basis of the desire that I want to win a lot of money is that I'm uncomfortable in shortage, and that it's not comfortable as it flows in on a pretty consistent basis, and that I can't regulate the flow of it. You see, we know from our exposure to you, and we've seen all of you, that you are much more comfortable as individuals or even as society as you have a desire and allow the dollars to come to fulfill the desire. In other words, it's sort of like saying, I'm thirsty and I want to drink 10 gallons of water. And we say, you really don't want to win the lottery of water. You just want to drink enough to quench your thirst right now. And so if you say, I'm really, really thirsty and I would like a lot of dollars to flow, then what you're actually saying is, I have some projects that I've been focused toward that are all lined up and everything's in place and I'm ready for the money. And when that is true, the money will flow. And if you were to ask for the money before that was true, before the outlets were there that would utilize the dollars, then there would be backlog, then there would be discomfort, then there would be discord, then there would be chaos, then there would be imbalance. And we really do not think that that is what you're looking for. Inherent in the idea that I want a big truckload of money to come all at once is another thing that contradicts it. And what that says is that there is shortage of dollars, that I need to gather my money. I need to gather my money and I need to put it in a safe place right away, or I need to gather it so that I can utilize it because it may not always be available to me. And that isn't true, because it is always available to you. All of the resources that you will ever want or need are at your fingertips. All you have to do is identify what you want to do with it. In other words, what is your desire of it? And then practice the thought of it as if it is already happening, just incrementally. In other words, lie on the deck of the ship in your mind's eye, or lie on the beach and pretend that you're on some other beach. Or, in other words, you just have to get into the feeling place of what it will feel like when that happens. And as you do, you release the resistance that you've been practicing. The desire that is sharpened by your now statement prevails, and Source releases to you, but more importantly, you open the valve to let in what Source has released to you. There is nothing that you cannot be or do or have. You are blessed beings. Source adores you. You are leading edge creators. You've come forth into this physical environment to create. There is nothing holding you back other than your own contradictory thought. And every time you do that, your emotion tells you you're doing that. Life is supposed to be fun. It is supposed to feel good. You are powerful creators, and you are right on schedule. Savor more, fix less, laugh more, cry less, anticipate positively more, anticipate negatively less. Nothing is more important than that you feel good. Just practice that and watch what happens. There is great love here for you.
So when we're lucky enough to receive the challenge that we've been wanting, and it's one that's a little beyond our comfort zone, and right now I'm in a situation where I've been basically given $2 million, 4 months, and 20 people to produce a TV show, and I thought, wow, that's really cool. A week later, I found out I really need $3 million, 40 people, and 8 months to do the show. So I'm trying to figure out every shortcut and every way to...
Well, start by saying things like, I can do this in the time frame with the people and with the dollars because look how easily it came to me. It came as the culmination of what I've been asking for.
Yes.
And while my desire will continue to evolve, I can do this right here, right now. Say things like, somebody trusted me enough. In other words, somebody believed in me enough. The universe opened its vortex and yielded this to me, and I can make this happen. And when it is over, and it has happened, I'm going to be so thrilled with what happened. In other words, you have to keep saying why it will work instead of why it won't work. You have to keep looking at all the benefits of it coming rather than wishing that it was more.
It's true, and actually, half of what I'm happy about is I got the opportunity. The other half is I feel like using all these tools from you and other spiritual practices to prove that no matter how...
Well, you don't have to do that. We don't need you to help us prove it because there's not a shred of evidence anywhere to the contrary of it. And don't get distorted from your own purpose. In other words, while this is part of who you are too, and your success is all rooted in all of this, don't deviate from your dominant desire. You don't have time to do that right now. In other words, just get focused on what you're about and trust that the universe will yield to you everyone and everything that's necessary for it and have a glorious time doing it. Speak no more about not enough time. You have plenty of time. You have plenty of time.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.